Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao from Hyderabad. Before entering into our topic, an advice to you: if you want to learn Tally Prime and other subjects perfectly and become expert accountant with good knowledge, please follow and practice all my videos in my channel in the same serial order. Then only you practice well, then only you'll get good knowledge and you'll become expert accountant. Okay, now, and then everyone, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are not already done, only once you can subscribe and click the bell icon and select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel, and share my channel with all the people you want to learn, who want to learn all these subjects: TDS, TC, Tally, TDS, TCS, GST, everything. And while watching these videos, watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. So if you skip in the middle, so in the later part, we will work on you will miss the actual practical work. How you enter or your work on the Tally Prime, you will miss that. That is why don't skip the video, watch till the end. It is very important to see the later part. That is the practical work. And then you please, if the video is good, please like my video, and in the bottom, in the comment section, definitely don't forget to post your comment about this video. Okay, now we enter into our topic today, and this is not a new topic. Actually, already we did the topic, and see here in the last video, TDS on purchase of goods by the buyer, that is video number 117, date is 15, 117, date 15/7. So in that video, so we did this TDS problem of TDS on sale of goods under section 194Q. Under section 194Q, we have done this. Okay. And in this, we did the first problem, and 2, 3, 4 problems I asked you to try that. But the third and fourth problem, okay, it is like the first problem only. I told you that day itself. In the second problem, you will get some confusion, you will get a problem. So that is what I am doing that. It's actually a problem. Is calculation, everything will be okay. But in the TDS reports, the report will not show correctly. There will be some error in the report. That is why I found a small trick for that. It's a small trick for that. With that report also will show correctly. That is, see, in the first problem, you see, this is purchase from Sumitra and Co. In the Sumitra and Co, DAL, Sumitra and Co, in this, see, Sumitra and Co, we have 2 purchases. See, 2 bills we have. See here, we have 2 bills. So one is 63 lakhs and another is 26 lakhs. In this case, the first bill is itself more than 50 lakhs. It's more than exemption limit. So there is no problem in that. What we do is, in this case, we enter this one, and after that, so this is the purchase accounting details, and then the assessable value. That is the assessable value in the nature of payment. That is TDS or nature of payment. TDS on nature of, purchase of goods. In the assessable value, so since the amount is more than the limit, we exclude the limit 50 lakhs and balance only 13,55,950 we have taken as the assessable value. So it is okay. And then we calculated on the excess amount 13,55,356 rupees. We calculated the TDS. So we deducted the TDS. And whenever you are making alterations, it will show like this: tax details are modified, select O. Okay, otherwise if you select accept Y, if you enter that, and it will show in the uncertain transaction in the report. And in the second transaction, the amount is 26 lakhs. Already the exemption limit is crossed. That is why here we take the total amount as assessable value. So the balance, we have taken 13 lakhs there, and these 20 lakhs on these 2. That amount will be calculated. Here, You see, after this, amount is calculated on this amount, that is 20 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 25,350. So it is calculating this one. Okay. So here, 1%, 0.1%, 2,625. Okay, it is calculated. So here there is no problem at all. So first bill itself more than limit. So the excess amount we calculated, second bill calculated the total amount. But here in the second problem, here the first bill is not more than the exemption limit. The first problem is not more than the exemption limit. So in that case, 1 minute. So in that case, what to do, how to do that? This one we will take up now. And there is a small problem. Otherwise, it will show error in the report. Okay. So here. So we'll go to the tally. And now we will enter the entry. We'll make the entry. Voucher. Purchase. The date is 1st May 105. 1st May. Bill number is 105. Okay. And the party is purchased from Samsung. Samsung India Private Limited, we purchased. And what we purchased? We purchased Samsung Mobile. Samsung Pro Mobile. How many? 50 units we purchased. 50 numbers, each 25,000. 25,000. It is 12 lakhs 50,000. 12 lakhs 50,000 is the amount. And here, the 12 lakh 50,000, this is the purchase account. That is accounting details. That is common ledger. And then after that, it will ask you the assessable value. That is on the amount on which the TDS is to be calculated. So here, this 12 lakh 50,000 is less than the limit. So in this, we won't deduct anything. And in the next bill, the balance 37 lakhs 50,000, that is balance of 50 lakhs. So 37 lakh 50,000 will be deducted from the second bill. Oh, here you should not take anything. And second bill with 3750, we have to omit. But here, if we take 0, so it will not move. So what we do is here, just simply take 1 rupee. So that is totally exempted, only 1 rupee we are taking. So in the second bill, 37 lakh 50,000 we have to take. We have to omit, and balance we have to take. And in the balance, we will reduce 1 more rupee. Here we are taking 1 rupee. There, that 1 rupee will be reduced in the second bill. Then it will be okay. Okay, 12 lakh 50,000. And here, IGST, because this is interstate, Vijayawada. So 1 lakh 50,000. So we should not deduct any amount here. So we have not deducted any amount. Okay. So here we made the alteration. That is assessable value. That is why we have to click O. We have to click O. Should not make enter. If we enter that, the first one will be accepted. So it will be with conflicts. So it will show error. So we press O. So this is over. And in the second invoice, that is 2nd May. 2nd May, invoice number is 120. Invoice number is 125, 250 pieces and 24,000 each. The same thing. Same Samsung India, Samsung Mobile, and the numbers are pieces. Pieces are numbers are same. Okay. 250 pieces. 250 pieces. Each one is 24,000 rupees. 24,000 rupees. It is 60 lakhs. See here. The first one is, this is 60 lakhs. The first bill is 12 lakhs 50,000. This is the amount. Out of this, 50 lakhs is to be 50 lakhs you have to reduce. That is the exemption limit. So we have to take only 22 lakhs 50,000 rupees as the assessable value on the excess only. Excess only you have to calculate. And in this, again, we have to reduce 1 rupee here, because there the 1250 is completely to be omitted, reduced, and 750 in this is to be omitted, total 50. But we have taken 1 rupee, so that 1 rupee will reduce here. Reduce 1 rupee. So 22 lakhs 49,999 plus that 1 rupee will be 2250. So here assessable value will be this one we have to take. So here this one, and here assessable value, how much you have to take? 22 lakhs 49,000, 22 lakhs 49,999. So this one you have to take. If you take this one and 1 rupee taken there, total will be 22 lakh 50,000. So now, okay. And here IGST. Take IGST. Now here, how much you will calculate? So this one plus 1 rupee there, we have taken there. 2250 it will take. And on this 2250 into 0.1%, it will be 2250 have to calculate. See here, TDS on says 2250, it is calculating. So here we are calculating. One more thing we will do here, the same thing here. What we do is, in the first, previously, in the first with Sumitra and Co, there we calculated the tax, I mean TDS, in the same voucher in both the bills. But here in this bill, first bill, okay, in this bill, we will calculate in another voucher. So how to make that one? How to make, I think I told you already. So we will not deduct amount here. We are not deducting any amount here. Okay. Except, I mean, that is except with the override. Okay. Now we will go to the report. You see, we'll go to the report. You see, how it will show. It will go to, we'll go to the report, display, statute report, TDS report, 26Q. Here you see, here. So exactly it is taking the exact amount. Correctly it is taking. We have to deduct first bill. First amount is that is 1356 is the first party. Out of the plus here 2250, 3600. 1 minute, I will tell you. Here we will show you here. Here, see 3981. So 3981 is the first party. 2250 is the now second party. Totally we have to deduct 6231. You have to deduct. So 62 lakhs 33,000. This amount all will show more. That 12 lakh 15,000. We omitted 1 rupee. 12 lakhs 49,910. That will be also added in this. It will show, take the total assessable value. It is wrong. So that is, we are omitting that 12 lakhs 50,000 except 1 rupee, and 3750 in the second transaction. Total 50. Now it is showing correctly, and exact amount we have to deduct. And we deducted in the first one, first party 3,000. In the second party we have to deduct, not deducted in the same voucher. That we have to deduct. How? So we can deduct. We can go to the voucher. See here, go to voucher. That is journal. We can go to journal and 2nd May. 2nd May we go to autofill, and then here TDS deduction 2nd May. All this will be there, isn't it? The same thing. So the same thing you can do in the report also. We can do, no problem. Statute report, this report, and 26Q. So here 2nd May. So here go to the TDS deduction. So here 2nd May TDS deduction. 2nd May Samsung India Limited, TDS nature of payment and ledger. So the same thing, everything is the same. So like this, here it will show the deduction amount against the bill, against that 60 lakhs 20,000. It is taking this one. That is the amount is deducted, TDS. Now you see, so now you see it is deducted. Okay. So if you go to the party here, ledger, if you go to Samsung India Limited, so here in the previous case, it will show only the net amount on the credit side. After deducting the TDS, net amount it will show, but we are not deducted now. That is why total amount is shown on the credit side and debit is shown here. Okay, now we go to the report. TDS report 26Q. Here, last time I told you, we go to outside. We have to make the payment now. So we can make the payment here, or we can make the payment from outside. See here, take the voucher, go to the payment voucher. So for the month of May, we pay in June. So 1st June I am taking. Here, I am taking 1st June the date, and payment voucher also we can go autofill. So start payment and TDS, and 1st May to 2nd May only, and up to 2nd May we deducted. So it will show 24, will take 23. 23, everything, okay, everything will be there. Non-resident, we can take the State Bank here. Okay. And if you take like this, it will deduct. It will show the payment. So 1st June repeat. So the same thing we can do in the report also. We can pay from the report also. There is one thing we have to do here. Here 26Q, we can see here. Go to start payment. So the only thing is here. The only thing is here. That it will show something error here. You will take here 1st June TDS, 1st May to 2nd May, So 2nd May 23, 2nd May 23, same thing. Nature of payment, status of individuals, that is company, non-company, you can take all. Resident, State Bank of India, the same thing. If the date is not changing, it is showing some other date, we have to change the date and then enter. State Bank of India, we paid check number 258259. Okay, 1st June. So we made the payment. Okay, you see here, it is okay. After that, we have to, it is showing payable. Why? Because the challan number, they are not reconciled. Okay, so go to the uncertain transaction, click that, take that one and enter. Here it will move. 1st April, 1st May and 2nd May only we made the deduction. And check number 258259 we give. Check date 1st June. You see here in the beginning, 1st June is the date of the voucher. BSR code, there will be 7 numbers. They will put the stamp in the challan. Challan number, there will be 4 rupee numbers and challan date 16. And here take the bank and branch. I am taking KP. Okay, KP branch I am taking. Okay, that's so now you see. Now we go back to reports. So total amount payable, deductible total amount, deducted total amount, paid total amount. So there is no uncertain transaction. The first party, 1 bill, and second party, 1 payment. There are totally 2 payments are shown here. Both the first one is on 1st May for the first party, and the second one is for the second party, 1st June. So for April we paid in May, for May we paid in June. Okay, because every month we have to pay the amount by before 7th of next month, but 7th we cannot take in the education channel, in the education mode. That's why I'm taking 2nd or 1st. Okay, like this you have to make the payment. This is the only solution. Otherwise, if you take the total amount here, the first one, if you take the total amount, here you have to take one. If you take the total amount, it will show. If you take the total amount, go on, and in the report, how it will show? In the report, this 12,500 also, that I mean 12,50,000 also will be here. In this case, the 1250 also we omitted. We take only 1 rupee. Otherwise, it will take wrong. It will show wrong. That 12,50,000 also will be added in this, and it will show 12,50,000 also. We have to deduct the money. It will show here. It will show more amount, and here amount deductible. It will show. Okay, like this we have to show. In the previous, just now it showed amount payable, but it is actually that amount payable is not deducted in the same voucher. But here it will show the extra amount. Here it will show extra amount. The 12,50,000 also will be added here, and then it will show deductible. Even though we make payment of 6,231, we will make the payment. But still again, for 12,500 rupees, it will show 12,50,000. It will show amount payable. Okay, that's why the only trick. This is the only trick. Yesterday I saw that. I sent a mail to even the Tally Solutions also. So they will say they will contact today, and we will see any solution they give for that. Okay. So with this, I stop the video. This I close the session today, and I believe you just follow this video once or twice. You see this video to understand. If the first bill is more than limit, no problem. But if the second bill is less than the limit, then it will be a problem. So you follow this method. Okay. Okay. And I wish you all the best, and thank you. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.